What is a change of basis? Well, depending on your field of study, the exact meaning and how you use it might be slightly different than that of another major. Simply put, a change of basis involves taking a set of linearly independent vectors that span a space and changing them into another linearly independent set of vectors that also span the same space. While that may sound complicated and seems impossible to apply to everyday life, I assure you that this is not the case. In fact, I claim I could give you a basic overview with no more math than within the introduction to this video. Take going to a fast food restaurant. You walk into a fast food restaurant, approach the counter, and the cashier asks you this. Every fast food restaurant has a set list of ingredients that they have available to them to make your meals. Of course, this applies to all restaurants, but the example of fast food restaurants makes this analogy much easier. These ingredients might include buns, pickles, various sauces, beef patties, fish fillets, potatoes, fountain drinks, salt, pepper, onions, and various others. Each of these ingredients can be represented by a vector. It should be quite obvious that these ingredients are linearly independent. These ingredients are limited by only one factor. What have the employees been trained to make? If it makes any logical sense, the ingredients will span the space of what the employees have been trained to make without any extraneous ingredients. Logically, it would not be incorrect to immediately start with something like the following. Then, of course, you will proceed to explain how you would like the rest of your meal prepared. Of course, that is not how a typical trip goes at a fast food restaurant. Doing so may actually cause a lot of confusion and frustration because the cashier is not trained to handle your order in that manner. Fast food restaurants long realized that it would be very difficult, not to mention tedious, to order exactly what you want if you had to list the ingredients, amounts, and which order you would like them combined. Sounds like a linear combination of ingredients, doesn't it? So they came up with the brilliant idea of providing set options of what you can order quickly. This brilliant idea became known as wait for it, combo. You got it. What is a combo? If you take a combo to be a vector the same way you took ingredients to be vectors, you can see the list of combos spans the set of all the things their employees are trained to make. So now the question becomes, what have the fast food chains done to offer combos instead of a list of ingredients? Essentially, they have changed the basis for you. The list of combos is extensive, enough to include all the food options they have available to you. Each of these combos is also linearly independent, but you don't have to take my word for it. You try and match a Big Mac and some McNuggets together and get a spicy McChicken. Back to the point. By offering combos, the fast food chain makes it easier to walk in and order exactly what you want and have it prepared fast, hence the name. The fast food chains have changed the basis for you. No minute-long list of ingredients and cooking instructions. Just, can I have a Big Mac combo? It's that simple. The reason behind it is just as simple. It's purely for convenience on your part and the part of their employees. Now you understand why changing the basis helps you in real life?